All right. So, children, I hope everyone is fine. And today we are starting the first topic. You must have done some work on your rough sheets or notebooks. And the first topic of our book is numbers and arithmetic operations. And we are starting it. You all have done it in that do the place value, you crown the number, and you find the place value of the number. So I'm sharing the screen here. It's here, starting from my own notes, and then we are going to see those notes which we have given you in the uh, homework. So numbers and arithmetic operation. Children, you can see a screen in front of you. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you can see the screen in front of you, and here I have written a number 355,790. And how I find this number, like how I find the place value of the number by putting it into a place value chart. You can see that we have ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and 100,000 column, and I placed the number accordingly in these columns, and then I write the number in words that it is 355,090, and this you have done in class 4. Everybody has done this in class 4. It is the place value up to digit 6-digit number. So it is a 6-digit number. So we have started from the right side, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and 100,000. It is 7-digit number that and other all columns are 0, 0, and 0, 0. Now children, you please note down that 5 million I have written, and previously if you remember that in with the international place value system we used to put a comma, but here I have not put any comma. I have put this space. You can see a uh, space right after 3 digits. Like starting from the right side, you can see 3 zeros and a space, and 3 zeros and a space, and then 5. So now we are not going to put any comma in between, or you can say, okay, we are not going to put commas to show the place, to put spaces. So in international place value system, we always tell you that uh, you can say the main or key point is that you have to put the space right after 3 digits. First 3 digits starting from right, ones, tens, hundred, a comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, a space, and then million, and further when we will move on. So this is how we are going to move on. So this number 5 million, we are just revising. We are just you can say revising, and I am just giving you the previous knowledge so that we can start our today's topic today. So what is it? It is 5 million. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, and then million. So it is 5 million. After this million column, we have added another column, and that is 10 million column. Now you can see on your screen, I have added another column after million column, and that is 10 million column. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. So now this number is 23 million, or you can see that 23 space 3 zeros space 3 zeros. I think you are getting my point. Are you getting? So children, very good. I can see yes from Amna and it is Hiba Nabil. So I hope you are listening. Everybody is listening, and it is 23 million. And how I write it, you can see that after million column in the place value chart, I have added another column, that is 10 million column. And now you can see in 10 million it is 2, in million column it is 3, and further it is all zeros, so it becomes 23 million or 23 space 3 zeros space 3 zeros. Keep in mind that in international place value system we are just doing international place value system, and international place value system we are going to put space right after 3 digits. We are going to put space right after 3 digits. So first 3 zeros, then 3 zeros, and we always start from one side. So ones, tens, hundred space, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 space, and now million and 10 million. Now coming to the next slide, and that is 100 million column. Now here we can see that we have another column besides 10 million column, and that is 100 million column. So again, now it has become a 9-digit number. Tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. Now the number is written is, in 100 million it is 2, in 10 million column it is 5, in million column it is written 7. All of you can see it. Can you see? Okay. So 100 million column 2, 10 million column 5, million column 7, 100,000 0, 10,000 0, 1,000 0, 100 0, 10 0, and 1 0. So it is now become, what is the number? 257 million. Or now you can see the spaces. I have put spaces right after 3 digits, starting from ones, 0 0 0, ones, tens, hundred space, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 space, and then million, 10 million, and 100 million. Million, 10 million, see spaces right after 3 digits in this. Are you getting it now? Okay. So we can see that here we have 100 million column, and we have this 9-digit number. Now children, one thing more what I want to tell you is, we have done so many numbers. Aapko pata hai, you all know that what is the, if I ask you, Fatma, if we can unmute it for a while. Excuse me, teacher Fatma, if we can unmute all the students for a while.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm unmute all.
Hello. Five, six, seven, मैम ने अनम्यूट किया था। हमारी
Are you listening? Children, are you listening?
Yes,
All right.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the smallest 1-digit number? Can you tell me what is the smallest 1-digit number?
Nine.
Smallest. Oh no, it's not nine. Nine is the biggest, largest. Very good. Okay.
Nine.
Nine is the biggest. Nine is the biggest. Okay, what is the smallest? What is the smallest three-digit number? What is the smallest three-digit number? Three-digit number. Three-digit.
199.
Very good. 100. Very good. Very good. 100. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. Now, what is the smallest four-digit number? Smallest four-digit number.
1,000.
Very good. What is the smallest five-digit number?
Lakh. 1 lakh.
Five digit. Beta, five digit. Five digit. Very good. 10,000. Yes, it is 10,000. 10,000. Very nice. Excellent. All right. What is the smallest six-digit number? I think you can see the screens. I am sharing the screen. Can you see it? If yes, then please say yes. I can see you. Okay. So smallest nine-digit number, you tell me that it is 100 million. Now coming to the biggest nine-digit number, you can see it on your screen that it is 999, 999, and 999. Can you see it? Yes. So if we are going to add 1 in the biggest 9-digit number, it will give us the smallest 10-digit number. It will give us the smallest 10-digit number. Say after me. If we are going to add 1 in the biggest 9-digit number, it will give us 10-digit number, smallest 10-digit number. And now what is the smallest 10-digit number? It is 1 billion. Say it with me. 1 billion. Say it again. 1 billion. Say it again. 1 billion. It is billion. BILLION. And you can see, children, that this is the smallest 10-digit number. Now you can see here that we have 0 in ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and now it is billion. So smallest 10-digit number is 1 billion. जो भी 10-digit numbers we will get, we always call it billion. Okay, so million, then 10 million, 100 million, and what we get next is billion. And we are going to similarly we are going to add in it million, billion, 10 billion, and then 100 billion. So this we are going to do further in further classes, or maybe you will understand the way and you are going to do it. And now how you are going to write it? So you are going to write it in the same way that you are going to write it here, over here 1, and then space, and then 000, space 000, space 000. You can see I have written the number 1 billion on screen. Can you see it? I have written the number. Yes. So you can see I have written 10-digit number like this: 3 zeros, space, 3 zeros, space, 3 zeros, space, and then a 1. So this is how we put spaces in international place value system, that after every 3 digit you have to give a space. Previously we were using commas. Now in your book commas has been erased, so we will also not follow the commas. We are going to follow the spaces. Now